Hello friends, you are welcome in KM Video Only Education channel. Today we are going to learn English question set which is useful for English conversation. Fill in the blank with your own information. मोकळ्या जागी स्वतःची माहिती भरा. Question number 1. What is your name? Answer. My name is dash. Question number 2. What is your father's name? Answer. My father's name is dash. Question number 3. What is your mother's name? Answer. My mother's name is dash. Question number 4. What is your brother's name? Answer. My brother's name is dash. Question number 5. What is your sister's name? Answer. My sister's name is dash. If you like video, please share, comments and subscribe KM Video channel. Also, to obtain notification of next new videos, press bell icon. Thank you.